So Tesla pushes above the 180-day 4-hour SMA line for the first time ever since it broke below it. And I think that's a huge step in the right direction. I'm sure a lot of you guys already heard the news of, what caused Tesla to push up today. And not only with Tesla, but the overall market did exceptionally well, especially tech, and it has to do to two other tech giants as well that performed exceptionally well. So a step in the right direction for sure. /NQ with a killer day, but it looks like it's right now during the aftermarket hours a little bit in the red or break even. One of the things that I want to talk about is kind of summarizing what was said, just so you guys know. I sold a couple of my shares. At one point today, I had a little bit over 2,000 shares. I sold it down to 1,600. I'm going to explain why I decided to sell a couple of them. Yes, I do plan to buy more, but only when Tesla proves itself, right, that it will continue to show signs of growth. Today, Tesla experienced a huge positive catalyst. They exceeded, this is something that we talked about last week, that people were already doubting Tesla and setting expectations a lot lower than expected due to the chip shortage and just a lot going into it on. They did not expect Tesla to have a strong performing Q1, right? And that was almost the exact opposite. They ended up exceeding expectations, and year over year, yes, it only did grow 2%, but again, a step in the right direction. The thing that I'm the most surprised about is it just proves how strong this resistance level at $700 with this amazing and very important positive catalyst news, right, that was shared today. We still struggled to hold above $700 a share. So again, I think this is a step in the right direction for Tesla and for all of those that are investing into it, but please do not be surprised if it continues to pull on back. We experienced a positive catalyst due to that news that was being shared. As that news becomes less relevant, it is very likely, right? It shouldn't be surprising if it begins to correct itself based off of the news becoming less relevant as time goes on. So just my 2 cents on that, on why I decided to sell a couple of my shares, just in case it does end up pulling back down again to 600 or 550 again, just thinking worst case scenario. I want to make sure that, again, I have an additional 1,000 shares I can buy at the lower levels to be able to ride back for the recovery. Of course, I don't want Tesla to have to pull on back again, but based off of its previous performance for the past couple of days, it would not be much of a surprise. So I'm super excited and super happy to be back here in the States. I took a little trip over the weekend to Mexico, so now I'm happy to be back. I will see you tomorrow for the live trading session. And if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment those down below. But if you guys want to stay connected, you guys can join our absolute free Facebook group, and that's that first link in the description, and we can go from there. So like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Feel free to share your comments or thoughts about Tesla and the overall market down in the comment section. I hope that we earned your thumbs up, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.